This tutorial is about changing the style and look of your web pages by editing the template. The colors and pictures on your own pages may be different to those in this movie, however the functions are identical. Open the admin panel. Keep the back end and front end open in their own tabs. Then you can go back and forth and see the effect of your style changes. You want to open the Site Template Manager, which is in this extension tab. A list of the templates installed on your site. Your list may be different, that's no cause for concern. These two columns, default and assigned, show which templates are being used. Locate the master for the site default, that's the one with a start in the default column. Then the word default in the template's name does not make it the site default. Click on its name to open and edit the template. You are now in the Template Manager. This is an action bar. Changes are only applied if you click either on Save, used when you want to do more work in the Template Manager, or on Save and Close, used when you are finished. If you plan lots of changes, but want to keep the original settings as a fallback, save the existing template as a copy. Do that before you make any changes lest you forget later. In that case, give it a new name first. Notification and instructions should you need to upgrade. This is explained in another movie. The Help pane, to guide you with tool tips, when your cursor is over the modifiable option. The Options toolbar. Start with the Style tab. Make sure that Show Presets is clicked. You are in the Style tab. Thumbnails of the preset styles are here. The slider opens more. The preset names are repeated in this drop-down menu. Click either the name in the list, or the thumbnail of the one you want to use. Switch page load, animation effects, on or off. These affect the typographical appearance of the page. Open the Features tab. Logo changes using these buttons are explained in another how-to tutorial. Each of these switches, and the associated drop-down menus, have a direct effect on the style of your web pages. Help appears in this box when your cursor is over the label of an option. Experiment with these settings, and see the result on the front end. The Menu tab. As explained in an earlier slide, each option has a help tip. You can experiment with different settings. The Layouts tab. The names in this column are the template's module positions. Position maps of all our templates can be found in the FAQ of the help desk. These numbers correspond to navigation's 6 possible positions. This tabulation indicates that, if 4 positions are used in header, they will be called header A, B, etc. to D, and that they will be of equal width. You can alter the width of each position with this slider. Here you see top with 2 positions, top A and top B. We have moved the slider to give top A 75% of the top position. In this case we have limited top as 2 positions and we have forced the positions. You might force positions, if position A might be unused occasionally. Normally position B would use this empty position. With force in operation B uses its designated position. We've moved down the page. Main body position is where the system will put your articles. These options are different. Using the slider button you can make main body, MB in the darker box, larger or smaller, to the left, center or right of your page. You can also control positions for sidebar A, B or C. Help is always close. These settings control how your web pages appear on mobile devices. Again, please experiment. The Advanced tab has some settings to be aware of, especially these. Take particular note of the help paint advice. The final tab is where you assign this style template to menu pages. It can be all, or some, your choice. Just click in the appropriate box. This template will be the site default if you click here. It will be used wherever you have designated use of the default template. Then the word default in the template's name does not make it the site default. You will see the effects of any changes as you make them. If you save, then look at the front end, and refresh that browser page. When finished, ensure you've used an appropriate save button and that the template manager has closed the editor. You may also have other templates that are assigned, and that need editing before you are finished. However, a copy of the master will automatically embody changes made to that master. Repeat the previous steps for each template in use until you get the effect you want. Thank you.